Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Taiwanese Braised Chicken Rice or Taiwan Lu Rou Fan. So let's start cooking. We'll start to fry our aromatics first. I'm using a non-stick wok from Shogun by La Gourmet. This is part of a Midori series. This is a 32 cm stir-fry wok. Using medium heat, add in a good amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. We will now add in 10 pieces of shallots chopped up. Using medium heat, we'll fry them until we can smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out from here. This dish is very easy to put together and extremely delicious. Once you can smell the beautiful fragrance, we'll add in our mushroom. I have with me over here 8 pieces of Chinese mushroom, rehydrated and cut into small pieces like this. Put them all in. If you do not have dried mushroom, you can always use fresh mushroom, not a problem. Add in also 2 pieces of garlic chopped up. Fry them until fragrant. We need to smell the beautiful fragrance from the mushroom, the onions as well as the garlic before we add in our chicken. I'm using medium heat throughout. Don't turn up the heat too high, we don't want to burn them. We just want to extract the beautiful flavors from them. When you can smell this beautiful aroma, we'll add in our chicken. I have with me over here 2 pieces of boneless chicken thigh. I've cut them into small pieces like this as well as take off the skin, approximately 460 grams. Just put everything in. There's no need to marinate the chicken. Right, we'll be braising the chicken together and the flavor will sit into the chicken very, very nicely. We'll fry this until the chicken is white in color. Stir them up, mix them up well. A few scoops of this on steamed rice is the way to go. Beautiful. We'll be adding hard-boiled egg into this mixture later also. This is a very classic Taiwanese dish and there's a lot of different variants. Some of them uses mushroom, some of them add in some scallops or even some small shrimps also. But this, what I like to do, make it as simple as possible so that you can repeat and do this at home too. I'm using chicken for this because some of you might not want to take pork or don't like pork. So chicken is a very good alternative for this. We'll see that chicken is quite like this. We'll add in the seasonings. 1 teaspoon of Thai spice powder, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 40 milliliters of light soy sauce, 40 milliliters of dark soy sauce, 15 grams of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, you can use cane sugar, white sugar or rock sugar, no problem at all. Give this a good mix first. Mix them up well. Now I'll add in 100 milliliters of rice wine. This is optional. So for our Muslim friends, you do not have to do this. Mix them up well together again. The purpose of the rice wine is to enhance the flavor as well as to take out the frozen taste of the chicken too. Finally, we'll add in 600 milliliters of water. A few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. And I'm adding in 4 pieces of hard-boiled eggs. If you want more hard-boiled eggs, just add more. Turn up the heat to medium-high right now. We'll let this come to a boil. Once the gravy is boiling up like this, put the lid on, turn the heat down to low, and we'll let this simmer for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, I'll poach some vegetables to make this a complete meal. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, the smell is really, really fantastic. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium-high and reduce the sauce for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. This in order to have this more robust taste and of course to have a more even coloring on the egg. This is going to be so good. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. We have cooked the sauce down for 8 minutes and it's time to thicken it up. But before that, let's just give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Perfect! Now we just thicken this up with some cornstarch solution. If you do not have cornstarch, you can always use tapioca flour or even sweet potato flour is fine. Slowly add it in. Thicken it up to the consistency that you like. Not too thick. Right, perfect. And now all we have to do is pile this on steamed rice and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells awesome. One big bite. Oh. There are food that makes me really happy, and this is really one of it. Very delicious, full of flavor, easy to put together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something that you really got to try. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. 哇，香！一句话就是香。
每次讲一样的话。
因为很好吃，真的很好吃。